Arabal, established on 1983 with Kuwait Aluminium Company, bringing together the leading figures in Middle East aluminium. Over the past 29 years, the Arab International Aluminium Conference, Arabal, has grown to attract heads of industry from around the world to attend, speak, and exhibit. Arabal is the premier trade event for the Middle East's aluminium industry and the only conference in the world attended by every single primary aluminium manufacturer in the region, which makes it the conference of choice for anyone interested in the Middle East aluminium industry. Qatalum, Qatar, Alba, Bahrain, Dubai, Imal, Abu Dhabi, Sohar, Oman, Ma'aden, KSA, Egyptalum, Egypt. Aluminium Bahrain, Alba, consistently ranks as one of the largest and most modern aluminium smelters in the world. It enforces strict environmental guidelines, maintains high track record for safety, and is widely regarded as one of the top 10 performers on a global scale. Alba produces more than 860,000 MTPA of the highest grade aluminium that includes standard and T ingots, extrusion billets, rolling slab, Properzi ingots, and liquid aluminium. Around 50% of output is supplied to Bahrain's downstream aluminium industry, with the rest exported to regional and international customers in the Middle East, Europe, Far East, Southeast Asia, Africa, and North America. Dubai operates the world's largest single-site primary aluminium smelter using pre-bake anodes, more than 1 million MTPA. Premium quality products are made in 3 main forms: foundry alloy, billet, and high purity. More than 300 customers are served in over 50 countries. Dubai also owns 50% of Imal, plus investments in bauxite alumina projects. Dubai's proprietary reduction technologies rank among the best available. Sohar Aluminium was formed in September 2004 to undertake a landmark greenfield aluminium smelter project in the Sultanate of Oman. Jointly owned by Oman Oil Company, Abu Dhabi National Energy Company, PJSC, TAQA, and Rio Tinto Alcan, Sohar Aluminium intends to become a benchmark smelter while contributing to the sustainable development of Oman. Qatalum is a world-class aluminium smelter and began full production in September 2011. Qatalum is situated in the northeast of Mesaieed Industrial City in the region of Mesaieed, approximately 40 kilometers south of the capital, Doha, and produces 585,000 tons of high-quality liquid aluminium from twin 1.2-kilometer pot lines. Their complex facilities include a product cast house carbon plant, port with storage facilities, as well as a captive power plant. Each pot room houses 2 rows of 176 pots, giving a total of 352 pots, and combined, the 2 pot rooms contain a total 704 pots, which produce 600,000 tons per annum. The port has berthing facilities to handle import and export of all raw materials and products, respectively, and is able to handle ships of up to 65,000 DWT. All of Catalum's production is shipped in the form of value-added alloyed cast house products. Imal is a state-of-the-art smelter complex supplying over 200 customers with high-quality ISO 9000 certified aluminum products. Upon completion of Phase 2, Imal's production will increase to 1.3 million tons of aluminum, making it one of the largest single-site smelters by the end of 2014. Ma'aden was formed in 1997 to facilitate the development of Saudi Arabia's mineral resources and was originally wholly owned by the Saudi government before 50% of its shares were floated on the Saudi Stock Exchange in 2008. Ma'aden Aluminium Project is a $10.8 billion joint venture with Alcoa, which will be the largest and most efficient vertically integrated aluminium complex in the world. It will use Saudi Arabia's bauxite resources to profitably produce aluminium for domestic and international markets, as well as to facilitate the development of domestic downstream industries in the kingdom. The aluminium project involves the development, design, construction, and subsequent operation of 2 integrated sites, Al Baitha and Ras Al Khair. Currently, aluminium is the second largest metal market in the world. The GCC aluminium industry is to witness growth of 10 to 12% by 2015. With the growth of the aluminium industry, and in a time change, strong brands should unfold their presence across eras and embrace change as part of its own evolution. So does Arabal. Arabal, empowering the future of the aluminium industry.